Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge. Just wanted to show you one of the trucks on our lot. It's a 2026 Ram 1500 Sport. It is going to have the 3-liter Hurricane engine in it. And with it being a Sport, it's going to be fully blacked out. It does have 360 camera, LED lights, fog lights, park sensors, 20-inch wheels on this one, and then you're going to have keyless entry on either side of the truck as well as blind spot monitoring. It is a crew cab with a 5'7" box on it. Backup camera, hitch receiver and wiring, and then of course dual exhaust. Then let's pop inside. Inside the truck you're gonna have half leather, half cloth seats. They are heated, you got a heated steering wheel, 12-inch screen, lane departure, dual climate, and then let's check out the back seat here. In the back seat, a whole bunch of room. But if you want to make this truck yours, give us a call, 780-942-3629.